Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. You know what time it is. We ain't sleeping because we're training legs today. Monday. Perfect day to train legs, innit? Because real men train legs, not chest. You feel me?
Something like that. But anyway, bonjour, savoir, comment estás?
What? Let's go get some legs, you get me? Big legs. Boom. So obviously, Monday, do you know what? Let me start again. Boom. So, I don't know what I'm saying right now, but it's gonna come to me. I'm improvising. What am I saying? Shit. Boom. So we're gonna be making it up as we go along. I don't really have a set of exercises that I wanna do. I'm just gonna improvise, you feel me? We're gonna hit some squats and some other movements. But yeah, man, that's where the fun is at, when you make it up as you go along, innit? You know what I'm saying? Let's get it. Get this in. Hey, come on. What happened? Wait. What'd you say?
I don't need to train legs and I got a fucking pump, like.
What?
Pump there, what the comment?
Look how dry he is. Some flipping dry. Yeah, we're gonna start some warm-ups, innit? Some squats and barbell squats. Let's do a few warm-up sets and that, then we're gonna hit some heavyweight. I'm waiting for my equipment. I ain't got my equipment right now, I ain't got my wraps, but so we're gonna take it easy for now, you know what I'm saying? Start some jumping squats. Feel me? Quick warm-up, man.
I sweat anything, no excuses getting me. I'm a fucking warrior.
Yes.
Swahili warrior.
Yes. Let's go. Let's go.
Let me, just warming up.
Just warming up, man. Yeah. What do you call it? Jumping squats. Very good movement. You get me? You're getting in your cardio. You're strengthening up your legs.
Getting the heart racing.
Your core, everything. It's a really good exercise. We're gonna go heavy. I wanna try and get 140 jumping squats. Let's see.
I'm gonna try and get 100. You know why, yeah? No one's ever said anything like save your legs. There's a saying save your chest. Never would save your legs.
Nah. But we're gonna change that saying. From now on, it's say it with your legs, you get me? Forget chest. Everybody, not a lot of people can say it with your chest, but you can say it with your legs, because your legs are the strongest, you get me? Come on, gang. Listen, if you got bad knees, don't do this.
Yeah.
Me, I got stallion knees, yeah? Stallion knees, warrior knees, you get me? Always breathe. Breathe, yeah?
Listen, when the Coleman legs, you get me? Ronnie fucking Coleman legs. You saying on this day, yeah? That's a killing, man. Feeling it.
It kills you, innit? Instantly, bro.
The killing, man. It's like very effective. But like arm surgery, if you've got bad knees, stay away from it. And don't copy my style and make sure you got some proper like, lifting shoes in it. Me, I'll squat at anything.
This guy, blood, yeah? He squats at anything. If you could, he was squatting the high heels, bro. Listen, so be careful. Your mom's high heels, your sister's high heels. You gotta hide that shit because this guy was squatting anything. Alright, boom. So I just want to talk a little bit more about the jumping squats. Jumping squats are really good movements for athletes who engage in tennis, football, American football. Do you know what I mean? The Americans, from American viewers, you don't call it soccer. You know what I'm saying? If you play soccer or you play, you know, football, American football, whatever, it's really good. It gives you explosive strength in your legs. It focuses on your quads mainly. It also works on your lower back, you know, core, because you know you're jumping, you have to breathe, you have to really engage your core to get to propel yourself up. So it's a really good movement, man, for day-to-day exercise, you know what I mean? Like, but if you're an athlete, like I said, then it's very good for your explosive strength. Basketball players as well, do you know what I mean? Like, you got all that weight on your back, you're jumping. Imagine you take that weight off and you're jumping with your body weight. Listen, you're going to be flying, do you know what I mean? But I just want to say as well, if anybody wants to try this, any beginners or you know, intermediates, if you want to try that shit, you don't have to go as heavy as we do. We're just crazy guys and we just love this shit and we don't really give a fuck. So we just go hard. But I would advise that you know, start with your body weight. Do you know what I'm saying? So with your body weight, you just be with the ladies especially, or anybody with bad knees. This is really good for the ladies, by the way. Gets the bum out, and you know what I'm saying. But yeah, body weight. You want to start here. Yeah. Arms right in front of you. Like that. Yeah. Just body weight is fine. A lot of reps really gets the leg pumped up. But like I said, you know, for those who have more experience in the gym and they know their body, you know, add the weights, go as heavy as you can. But if you're beginners, start with maybe just a bar or just your body weight. Yeah, man. Okay. 100 kg. Let's go, man. But if you know your limit and your strength, it's alright. And the foot positioning is important, where you position your feet. For me, I like to go wide stance, you know what I'm saying? So I've got more ground to cover and whatnot. With my feet turned out, you know, it's not in like this, it's like turned out, you know what I'm saying? So I land safely. And remember, breathing is important as well, so as you go down, breathe in. With the weight on. Let's see what he's got. Go for it. You know what I've got? Hey, 59 reps. Hey Jay, make sure you loop it. Loop it. Don't fucking loop it. One rep was the aim. We've got more than that. So happy fucking days. Listen, this exercise, man, it gets your blood pumping, your heart racing. Look, normally I'll be warming up with this. We'll be warming up with 100 kg, but because we're jumping and we're doing that explosive movement, listen, it's a killer, man. And we're doing reps as well. Crazy. About to hit the heavy sets. So when you're hitting them heavy weights, you gotta wrap up. Always wrap up, be safe. Wrap up in the gym and not the gym. Yeah, we don't be like this guy.
Safety first.
Straight raw, that's him.
Raw, baby.
Bareback champion. Yeah, me BBC.
Nah. I've retired, you get me? I've retired the man. He's a bareback champion now, yeah? I'm on a straight, narrow path, yeah?
Nah, man, that's not me. Get me? Go wrap up them knees, man. boy. Go get it done. Kill ourselves. That was a heavy set. When you're going heavy like that, always wrap up, man. You get me? You don't want to risk any injury. And I know a lot of you people are watching thinking, raw, arms, are you not scared about getting injured? I'm not scared. Don't let fear run your life. You get me? Just go all the way. Yeah, because in the end, it won't matter. We're not going to make it out anyway. So you might as well take risks and prosper. But anyway, listen, be safe all the time when you're training like that. Know your limits. I know my limits. I know I could do that 140, and I know what my body can take. I'm not dumb. I'm not dumb enough to go and do something that I know my body can't take. You understand? So yeah. And on that note, we're going to go into our next exercise. Yeah, man. Next exercise. I let arms talk you through it. I'm not a leg enthusiast in it, so I'm gonna sit back on this one, innit? Do your thing. Listen, the leg connoisseur is here. So this one, yeah, it's a little bit more technical. You don't need to go heavy on this one. This one targets your hamstrings, and it brings out this part of your quads a bit more. But I'm gonna show you. Less talking, more working. So this exercise is best with the Smith machine because you want something in place and controlled. And what you're going to do, you're going to stand wide, put your feet apart, and you're literally just going to come down. Nice and slow, nice and controlled. As you come up, squeeze your quads. And that one really hits that bit there. The hamstrings and that, man. You get me? Right, let's go. This one is all technique and high reps, so going heavy is not really necessary. The heaviest we're going to go is this, and we're going to get a lot of reps in. About 8 sets. We're going to kill it. Let's go. Bro, you're so fucking short, man. What the fuck is this? So bad. As you can see, the first time I done it, how my foot position was a bit further back in it, but really truly, when I got a bit forward, didn't it, so you can sit straight. All about learning. Let's go. Yes, the OG, Joe, you know. Listen, our coach, the main man, yeah? The legend, you know. Look at that, the legend. The legend. Listen. Obviously, you get me that, man, coming to that. Coming at me like that, man.
feeling, man. It's all about that muscle mind connection thing. So every rep, you gotta visualize it, you gotta feel it, you know what I'm saying? You gotta make sure every rep is working, man. When I'm moving a lot of weight, lightweight, but the muscle is getting touched to the maximum.
Different, man. Okay, cool. Man's gonna switch it up now, yeah? We're gonna do the wide stance for like the hamstrings and obviously the separation in this part. And then I'm gonna come close. And I'm gonna get it for, just to get the, you know what I mean, the side bit. You know what I mean? So when you're standing, that side bit is popping. You feel me? So wide for the insides, and then straight away close, just for the outer quads. Let's get it. 10 reps each. That's a fucking popping, man. Let's go. Yeah. Yes, man. Working, man.
So we doing? So I lost focus. I'm thinking about chest. Like literally thinking about chest on that
guy. So look, 10 reps wide, yeah. And then bring it close. Bring your feet forward. Both feet. And then just 10. 10. Yeah.
Oh, killer.
Yeah, man.
Killer.
Get me. That's how we train, man. Train legs. Get me. You need to get them quads up. Show them the fucking quads. Get me. Get me. Hamstrings. Everything. Get it up. Okay. Yes. So we've basically done what? Two workouts for the quads. The second workout was basically quads and hamstrings. So now we're coming to focus more on the hamstrings with some stiff leg deadlifts. And then after we're gonna do some calves. Quick warm-ups now, 20 reps. Fam, listen, my hamstrings are gone, but we keep pushing anyway. Everyone needs a training partner like me. Don't let your partner skip the fucking set. Yes, big man. Take it easy, man.
Listen,
Finished, yeah?
big shout out to this guy over here, yeah?
Come on.
Always elevating people, man. Big shout out.
Trying to be like him when I grow up. Yeah, man. Let's go, man. Come on, man. Let's work. Breathe, man. Come on, man.
Shit!
Get me? I'm fucking talking about it, get me? Listen, if your training partner's slacking, it's your job to make sure he's on point.
Always. Always, man. Listen, don't ever fucking call me again on leg day, man. Chest day, call me.
Nah, man.
Leg day, don't fucking call me.
I'll call you, man.
Listen, he set me up. Reason I'm here, this guy called me, goes, look, chest session, you get me? Let's go and get it. 200 kg bench press, all gassed. Got it here, trying to tell me about legs. Come on, man. Hey guys, it's a favorite YouTuber. Let's sit still. Let's go.
What the fuck was that?
I need some chalk.
What's like this?
I need some chalk. Fuck. The clip's not even down, but we're still working though. It's there, yeah? It's coming, like, see it? But they call me shit.
Yeah. Bro, we're about to hit some calves now, you feel me? A lot of men think we don't train calves, but we do. You get me? Let me tell you something, yeah? Not everybody has great calf genetics. You see, man like us, we've got high insertions. And what that means is, our calves, we've got calves, yeah? But it's all the way up here, look. Calves, yeah? But look, bow! There's no muscle here. We can't grow muscles. We can't grow muscle here. Our calves is all the way up here. You understand? As you can see, we've got calves, but no muscle here. We've got skinny ankles. You understand? So, yeah, all you people trying to shout about, man ain't got no calves. Shut up. Get me? Man's got calves. It's just high insertions. Everyone's got different insertions, yeah? That's the disadvantage of being tall. But it's also advantage because man's tall, innit? You get me? Man's all 6'3" and that, you get me? Man's all here and that, like, wow, go on, babes, you're good, yeah, like, obviously. Yeah, wait.
If you ain't got calves, listen, if you ain't got calves, don't fucking cry about it, man.
You get me? Don't cry about it.
You've got 3 options. Keep on training hard and not to cry, yeah? Second option, don't give a fuck.
You get me?
Third option is to fucking cry, which I know you're not gonna choose that option, but...
What you trying to say, boy? What the fuck were you waffling, blood? Chatting any shit, blood?
Listen, don't listen. Just train them like that, man. Don't go the pro.
Listen. Just train your calves, man. It's all good, you get me? Everyone is different. Certain muscles are gonna grow better than others. It's all good. And a lot of you people are haters. You see that everything else is good, yeah? And then you're gonna find one little thing, be like, oh yeah, but that one there, you know, Yeah, shut up. Just give a man his dues. Just appreciate, don't hate. Elevate, yeah? Innovate. Perspirate. Don't hate. Yeah? Understand? Come on. Big words, big words. And anyway, listen. The women, they don't give a toss about calves. You're not gonna be using your calves to please the woman. You understand? That's what I'm saying. Yeah? You're not using your calves to please a woman.
I got a trick for you, listen. If your calves look big, wear long socks. It's that little illusion that you got with calves. But anyway, who gives a fuck about calves, man? This and that.
Listen, you're not using calves to lift up a girl. You understand? Yeah? Are you using calves? Are you using calves to get a girl? You're not using calves. You're using upper body strength. You understand?
That's my calves, babes. That's my calves, babes.
Yeah? You're not gonna walk up to a woman and be like, look at my calves. Nah, blood. Get me? You walk up to a woman. What's going on, B? Get me? She's looking at this, looking at that. A woman isn't gonna rest her head on your fucking calves, is she? Gonna rest her head on this one, yeah? When you're doing calves, extend fully and come back down to stretch fully. Get me? I see a lot of you guys when they're doing calves, you like this. That's not gonna work, bro. You gotta take time, yeah? Up. Yeah? That's how you work it. Yeah?
Reps. Keep it high reps and get a lot of sets in. Don't go fucking heavy like I'm saying. Put a lot of fucking weights on them. Jump in the machine and go. It's not gonna work. Just take your time, get the reps in, break the muscles down, and yeah, man, more growth.
Finally, last step on the calf raises, and then we're gonna go do some stretches. Stretching is important after legs day. It's important in general. Like any exercise that you do, or any muscle group that you train, you have to stretch that out. Something that I don't do often, but I need to start doing that a lot more. So after this, we're gonna go do some stretches. Hate training calves, man, but the thing with calves is if you want it to work, yeah, you have to do it till failure. There's no point counting it to a certain number. Do you know what I mean? You gotta do it till you can't even do it no more, and that's how you get the best out of training your calves, honestly. Get me? So now, let's go do some stretches. Gang. Very good machine for to stretch my quads. This is called the anterior. You get me? We're flexing the anteriors. Basically quads. I don't know the flipping scientific terms and that. You get me? But yeah. Good piece of machine, man. Ooh, that feels good. Just stretching the groin and them things there, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? Groin flexibility. You never know when that's gonna come in handy. Wink, wink. You know what I'm saying, bro? You know what I'm saying? All of that shit there. Yeah, man. Someone's daughter is pissed. I think this machine tests your flexibility. So my flexibility level is it's quite good. 56. I don't know. I think that's quite good. Yeah, that's quite good, bro. Quite flexible, you know. Don't get it twisted. It's nearly to the top. You know what I'm saying? Look at the number. I'm quite flexible, bruv. Don't get it twisted, you know. Look at that. Nearly at the top, fam. Yeah. Come on, man. Don't ever let no one tell you that weightlifters ain't flexible. Whoever said that ain't obviously talking about me. You know what I'm saying?
Let's stay there. So what I'm going to try and do, just lift you this way. Get your balance in, balance. Let's stay there.
Yeah.
So get your balance. Keep that leg straight. Keep it straight.
Yeah.
So let's get this balance in. Let's put all that weight on here. There we go. This one straight. This one straight. Yeah. That's it. Turn.
Yeah.
That one straight. There you go.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah. That's fine.
Okay.
And twist this way. Put both hands on the floor. Nice.
Ooh, I feel that.
You feel that?
Yeah.
Sit. So now go back into the sitting position. Okay. Now you can change, stand up and rise. Okay, now stretch from there into the other one.
Yeah.
Yep. Right, not yet. Slowly, one position at a time. Just stay there. Turn this one. Just fit here, flat. I don't want that toe lifting. So you put that toe down. Yeah. There we go. That's it.
Yeah.
Okay. Just stay there. Okay. Now we're going to turn a bit. Yeah. Now we're going to put both hands on the floor. There you go. There you go.
Woo. Woo. Yes. And there you have it, man. You get me? Another leg day done. We won. Succeeded. You feel me? So I hope you took something away from today's workout and that. Add it into your workouts. But remember, always be safe, train safe. And yeah, man, we got something.
We got your peoples, man.
Always we got your peoples, man.
Stay blessed, man. Au revoir. Bye-bye.
Listen. Show your uncles, your aunties, your sisters, your brothers, your grandma, your granddad, your flipping great-grandma, your flipping great-granddad. You feel me, man?
I'm bilingual, you know. Como estás?
What the hell is a como estás, blood? It's como estás. You get me? Anyway, listen. Big up to the peoples, always. TWFD and that. Come on. Gang shit. Tune in next time, yeah? Remember, it's not about calves. It's about, for the ladies.